So my name is Richard Anderson, and this afternoon we're going to be talking to Tim about the modern workplace. Tim?
Hi, I'm Tim Cook. I've been at Colt for 20 years and I look after a team of sales specialists, and we look after an ecosystem that I call Cloud Voice within the organisation.
Okay, so I've got a couple of questions for you. Modern workplace is something that we hear people talking about a lot today. How do you see the modern workplace evolving over time?
So the modern workplace has changed a lot very rapidly, and that was caused by the pandemic. Right. We did a lot of digital transformation very, very quickly. What would normally take 5 years took a couple of months as we were all driven to work from home. And that proved a number of things to many organisations. One, that it was effective, that people could work from home and become more flexible in their working environments. Right. And two, that the technology was here and now that would enable them to do it. Now, if you look at some different types of organisations, they all have personalities, and what they do as an organisation will change how they view the modern workplace. So if you're looking at a manufacturing organisation, they will very much have people that have to go to a physical location to do a physical thing. Then we'll have another group of people that can be more flexible in their working, and those people can make choices. Yeah. So the marketing department within that manufacturing organisation could be working from home permanently, could be flexi, working in and out of the office because they want to work in a social way as well. And then you have people who want to be nomadic. They can be literally working anywhere in the world at any given time. And the technology in the modern workplace allows us to be able to do that going forward. A couple of key points around the modern workplace and enabling organisations to be successful is very much about giving the people the tools to do the job. And very much creativity and innovation are what makes companies successful. Yeah. And in the old day, creativity and innovation, you'd have to get people together in a huddle in a room and so forth. Now, with video, with UC, with other tools and software, we are very much able to have a global team effectively working on solutions. So you're not limited by geography or time anymore. You can all work in a highly collaborative way. And I think that's very much how the modern workplace is evolving. There's massive other benefits around sustainability, inclusion, geodiversity, and all these things have a big impact, and they're very, very much of the zeitgeist of an organisation at the moment about how to cope with the modern environment and the modern world and attract individuals within the company as well. Yeah. It's very, very interesting times.
Right. AI seems to be a word that's on everybody's lips at the moment. How do you see AI being evolving in the modern workplace?
So, as we know, AI is a big buzzword at the moment, specifically around products like ChatGPT and Google's new version of that. Obviously, ChatGPT being included within Microsoft as well. We can see that embedding into the modern workplace in a great way. Mm-hmm. Now, AI has great capabilities to help automation, to speed up response, data analytics. There's lots of use cases for great AI capability. Now, the one that I'm focusing on primarily at the moment is around customer experience. And AI can be used as chatbots or interactions or docents within an interaction with a customer. And obviously that low-level type of easy access, non-complex thing can be done very easily by an AI at the moment. Yeah. But what organizations need to remember is that if we're all using the same baseline AI and the same baseline data, is how will an organization remain true to its corporate culture? Mm-hmm. So an individual knows that it's dealing with that organization. Mm-hmm. And as we've passed the Turing test, and the Turing test is where an individual can't tell that they're dealing with either a computer or a human, and we've gone past that point in time, right. It's how do we develop that forward into the future, right. Whilst organisations remain their own corporate identity without becoming some vanilla pastiche of each other. Right. So that's where we are with AI. It's very interesting, it's very now. and how can we use it to automate, simplify, and generate better customer experiences going forward. Yeah.
You talked about customers, you mentioned customers a few times. When you're out talking to the customers, what are they telling you are the challenges in enabling the modern workplace environment?
So it's every customer has the same issue, which is that they now have a workforce that's not inside a locked down domain. They're everywhere. They can access your corporate information from any device, anywhere, at any time. So it's very much about how do we get the access to the corporate environment in a safe and secure manner. Yeah, that secure access. So companies are very much focusing on secure access, SD-WAN capabilities as well. They're a key element that are being an enabler of the modern workplace. But the most humanistic form of interaction is conversation. Yeah, we still like to chat. When we've got to a point where we can't get any further with the emails and we're getting angry or whatever it is, we pick up the phone and we have the discussion. And the modern workplace still needs to have that connectivity of a very high quality audio capability that connects to the public service telephony network, so you can still ring outbound telephone numbers. And that's really where Colt is coming together from its network and its cloud voice capabilities, is making sure we're delivering a unified, holistic approach to the modern workplace, no matter what device is used and what medium is used within that situation. Yeah. Hopefully that will make sense.
Great, Tim. Thanks for taking the time out of your busy schedule to talk to us today.
No worries, my pleasure.
Over to you guys.
Thank you.